Hey gearheads, welcome back. Today we're checking out the Classic Performance Products 2.5-inch OE-Type Drop Spindles, engineered specifically for 1960 through 1962 Chevrolet C10 trucks. So let's dive in. These premium drop spindles are cast from high-quality ductile iron, featuring CNC-machined axle pins, offering strong, reliable performance and drop height. First off, at a 2.5-inch front drop, these spindles give your classic C10 that sleek, lowered stance without altering suspension geometry. No need to add strange adapters, factory ball joints, and tie rod ends bolt right up. They also maintain stock offset, but note, they'll laterally push each wheel outward about 9/16 inch per side. Installation is a straight bolt-on procedure using existing suspension components. Factory ball joints, steering arms, and tie rod ends all fit. You will need to pair them with appropriately sized 1¼ inch rotors, calipers, and bearings, which are also available from CPP. The result? A refined factory-style lowered look with disc brake compatibility, improved brake performance, and preserved steering geometry. Perfect for rest-a-mod trucks that want vintage style with modern braking. To sum it up, lowers your truck's front by 2.5 inches, strong ductile iron construction, uses factory steering and ball joint hardware, compatible with 1971 to 87 1¼ inch disc brakes, maintains original C10 ride geometry and wheel offset, with slight outward push. These are a clean bolt-on solution for building a classic C10 rest-a-mod. If you're building a 1960-62 C10 and want a clean drop with disc brakes, these CPP drop spindles are a solid option. Thanks for watching! If you're ready to upgrade your classic car or truck with performance you can trust, just click the link in the description or head over to classicperform.com and check out our full line of suspension, steering, and brake solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a build breakdown, install guide, or performance tip.